Hi, and welcome to the battery shop. This 2017 Alfa Romeo Giulia has its 12-volt battery right here in the trunk. And although it's a fairly straightforward procedure, we always recommend that you check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to make sure you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and effectively replace a battery in a vehicle like this. Here's how it's done. We're using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while we replace the battery in this vehicle. With our gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery terminal, and you'll need a 10mm wrench for that. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. The next step is to remove the plastic cover from the distribution panel connected to the battery's positive terminal. Then, release the clamp for the positive battery terminal's connector. The next step is to remove the screws from the red hold-down clip. Then we can remove the positive battery cable and distribution plate from the positive battery terminal. The next step is to remove the battery's hold-down strap. Next, carefully remove the vent tube from the side of the battery, and then, using a 10mm wrench, loosen the battery hold-down fastener and remove the battery hold-down. Now we can remove the old battery from the vehicle. And now we can install the replacement battery. Now we can reinstall the battery hold-down bracket. And then reinstall the vent tube into the side of the battery and check it to make sure it's not cracked or damaged. Now we can reinstall the battery's hold-down strap. Next, reinstall the battery's positive cable and electrical panel onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And reinstall the screws into the red hold-down clip. And then reinstall the electrical panel's plastic cover. And finally, reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and retighten the fastener. And we're done.